Boosting self-love. Top 5 places for personal growth. Boosting self-love is a vital step towards overall personal growth and mental wellness. Here are the top 5 places that practitioners can visit today to enhance their self-love journey. 1. Silicon Valley, California. Silicon Valley's innovative spirit and focus on continuous learning make it an ideal location for personal development. The presence of numerous workshops, seminars, and conferences catering to various aspects of self-improvement provides ample opportunities for growth. Participants can attend events like TEDx Silicon Valley or Mindvalley's A-Fest to gain inspiration, connect with like-minded individuals, and learn new techniques for boosting self-love. 2. The Omega Institute, New York. The Omega Institute offers a wide range of workshops focused on mindfulness, meditation, and personal growth. Its picturesque location in the Hudson Valley fosters an environment conducive to introspection and self-discovery. Practitioners can attend programs like Finding Your Voice or Mindful Yoga and Meditation, which encourage participants to delve deeper into their emotions, build self-awareness, and cultivate self-love. 3. The Esalen Institute, Big Sur, California. Situated along the scenic coast of Big Sur, the Esalen Institute is renowned for its emphasis on human potential and growth. Its focus on experiential learning through workshops, massages, and therapeutic practices provides a holistic approach to personal development. Participants can engage in programs like the Art of Self-Love or Expressive Arts Workshop, which help individuals tap into their creativity, process emotions, and foster self-love. 4. The Kripalu Center for Yoga Health, Massachusetts. The Kripalu Center offers a variety of yoga, meditation, and wellness programs designed to promote personal growth and healing. Its serene setting in the Berkshire Mountains encourages introspection and self-discovery. Practitioners can participate in workshops like Yoga for Self-Love or Mindful Eating, which help individuals cultivate a deeper understanding of themselves, develop compassion towards their bodies, and boost self-love. 5. The Landmark Forum, various locations. The Landmark Forum is a 3-day transformative personal development program offered in multiple locations worldwide. It focuses on helping individuals identify and overcome limiting beliefs that hinder their personal growth and happiness. Participants can expect to gain insights into their thought patterns, develop more effective communication skills, and cultivate self-love as they learn to live a more fulfilling life. By attending workshops, seminars, and retreats at these locations, gain valuable insights, connect with like-minded people, and take concrete steps towards cultivating a deeper love for themselves.